Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make salt dough. So you will need flour, water, salt, a bowl and some scales. So first of all we will add 250 grams of flour. When you measure the next one, remember to zero. 150 grams of salt, and then 125 mils of water. So you add that to your flour and your salt, and then you mix. Once you've mixed, you can put your hands in. You might need a little bit more water. I think I need a tiny bit. Don't add too much though, because it will be all soggy and sticky. So here we have our ball of salt dough. Right, here I have half of my dough. I'm going to roll it out so that it's big enough to get your hand on it. Then put your hand on the dough and push down hard. You might need an adult to help you with this. Okay, and then take it off. Then what you'll need to do, perhaps cut round the edges with a blunt knife or tool. There you go, make it a little bit neater. Then you need to set your oven onto a very low setting. So then you'll need to put some greaseproof paper onto a tin. Then place in the oven. And leave for about 3 hours. About 3 hours later, you take them out and they're done. And here are our finished items. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.